What up? I got a new mystery box today. I'm gonna first off show you what I got in my last mystery box. Here we go. I haven't opened a new one yet, so I don't know what's in that one. Last time I got Boondocks Ablaze Magnet, this fresh ass 420 single featuring all the artists that were at the show. Sick Man poster. A Blaze shirt from The Gathering. Boom. 420 shirt from the VIP package last year. And the special item was this hoodie. Mystery box exclusive. Most of the items that came in the box were exclusive to like either VIP or certain shows like The Gathering. Only thing that you could really buy, I think, on Twisted Shop was the poster. So let's see what we got in this new one. Like I said, I haven't opened it yet, so your guess is as good as mine. Except for one item they announced, which everyone knows about by now. But alright, here we go. Oh, first thing I see is a couple flyers advertising new items coming out soon. We got the Lex release. You can pick that up on the Casket Factory tour, and I believe it's supposed to be on Twisted Shop. You can already get Casket Factory, and that's coming out in March. Oh shit. Oh hell yeah. Alright, so first thing, we'll do it like this. Holy shit. Alright, well they tell you that when you get the mystery box you might get an item that you already have, and in this case I did get an item that I already have, but that's alright, because it's the shit. And I can hook someone up with that, and that's not a problem. So that's the first item. We got another Blaze and Boondocks magnet. But we also got the Blaze and Boondocks stickers that came with that VIP pack, which I didn't have yet, which was awesome. We have the VIP pass from that package, which I also did not get. And cool Boondocks and Blaze flat from that tour. So most of the VIP stuff, except for the poster, I think you got. We got, this is freaking awesome. Magic Ninja logo. Back, welcome to the underground hat pin. This was what got me excited. I needed this badly. Thank you guys, that's fucking awesome. Boom. Got a Blaze sampler. Hook someone up with that. Listen to Blaze right now, actually. You already knew that. Alright. This is also what got me excited. I didn't go to the Freak Show, so I got myself a Monoxide Freak Show shirt.
Yeah.
That's the shit. And the final mystery item that you can only get in this box is freaking awesome too. The Casket Factory hoodie, yo. How fresh is that? And then again on the sleeve, so you know you only got it in the box. That was a lot of stuff in one box there. I'm not sure what the value would be at, but like the VIP packs go for $100, so most of that stuff came out of those. Hell yeah. Whoop whoop.